Well, there you are. What are you doing back here on me?
The dogs were going to get me. Is Bill here today?
He's up there. He wanted to find that job I talked to you about.
Oh, I didn't know he was going to do that today.
That trailer place.
Yeah, cute bird. She's halfway relaxed. She's halfway wore out.
I'm hot. Not comfortable on my shoulder, really. You're better off lay out there on a branch from the tree.
Yeah, but if you come out, she wants down. As long as you stay in the house, you're all right. But the minute you come out,
Stay up there?
she'll stay up there. But she wants to come down the minute she hears somebody.
What's your TV doing all the time?
I turned it on.
You playing with that?
And then I remembered she was out here, so I came out here to find her, and then I decided I was going to film her. Of course, she took off on us. Now, when you talk to the vet, don't forget to get a shot for her. Hopefully, he'll still give one to you. If not, just say it's for Babe or